In this video, we're going to explore the Add Contact Modal and customization options inside of HighLevel. This feature gives you a clean, organized way to create new contacts while keeping your CRM consistent for everyone on your team. The Add Contact Modal uses a modern slide-out design that lets you quickly enter key details without leaving your page. And for admins, it's fully customizable, so you can decide which fields appear, in what order, and which ones are required. That means your team auto-fills out what really matters, and your contact records stay accurate and complete every single time. You can even include custom fields, and it can all be captured from the very start. Let's take a look inside the account. So inside your HighLevel account, you're going to come down to contacts, and then you're simply going to come up to the top right and click on add contact. You'll see this is what the display looks like over here. And now if you want to customize these fields and switch on different categories and switch off others, if you are the admin of the sub account, all you have to do is come up to the top right corner and click on customize form. When you do, you get to manage the different fields. You can toggle on which ones are required, preview them over here, and when you click on manage fields, you can toggle them on or off depending on what you need to capture. For instance, if I want to add date of birth, I just have to toggle it on. Keep scrolling down for more options. Once you're happy, just come down and click on save, and you'll see date of birth has now been added. If you want to add a custom field, come up to the top right corner and click on these three dots, and then click on add custom fields. You would see it would have automatically taken you down to the custom field section in the settings of the sub account. So you'll just add it here and it will automatically show up in the customization form. From then on, every user in your account will see the same organized contact form, helping your entire team stay consistent when adding a new contact. Also, some important points to know: only admin users with the right permissions can customize the add contact form layout. Everyone else simply uses the version that's already been configured for them. When adding contacts, you'll also notice two handy buttons, the save and the save and add another. You'll find them right over here. Let me just click on back. When you click on add contact, right at the bottom here, once you've filled in the information, you'll see the save button here and the save and add another one here. The second option is perfect when you're adding multiple contacts in a row. It saves the current one and instantly opens a fresh form for the next. And if you close the modal before saving, HighLevel will prompt you with an unsaved changes warning so you don't lose your progress. And that's how the Add Contact Modal and customization keeps your CRM organized, accurate, and perfectly aligned with your workflow. For more information about this or other HighLevel features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, blog, and help docs. The link's in the description below. My name is Ben, and thank you for watching.